Monday de Nagaland Legislative Assembly laga session de MLA Nuklu Tushipra state de Manu Khan firecrackers pota por chinta uthai gina kuishi. Itu pra bimar thagya bura buri aro janwar khan ge diktar ania kuigina Manu Khan kunuba ge morom na kuria kuishi. Home Minister Y Patten Prakin to kushi ke Supreme Court order hisab de firecracker pota bole eku bon nai. Holibi CP Dimapur twara 3 bar advisory digina ahi ase. Pattern pra kushi ki civil society kam pra full cooperate na kurile control korobole diktar ase.
Speaker, sir. Firecrackers cause significant harm to human and animals through severe air and noise pollution, leading to respiratory illnesses, cardiovascular stress, hearing loss, and injuries. They trigger asthma, panic and pets and wildlife, and can cause long-term, sometimes fatal, distress due to toxic fumes and loud explosions. Human effects on humans, respiratory problems, inhalation of toxic fumes, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and fine particles, PM 2.5, causes coughing, wheezing, and asthma flares-ups, cardiovascular issues, high noise levels, increases stress, causing headache, hypertension, and potential heart attack and strokes. Speaker, sir. Itu firecrackers to ni manokan kau itu entertainment ase, enjoyment ase. Olivi to kia kurik manokan itu ekdam misery for poor citizens. Itu 1st January 2026 TV the Mawati Ruka Patardi Charda Gore burned down to ashes. Aruf Charda family to homeless recognition. Itu awas itu putabara elderlies pura purigan bimar manukan itu kan humau boleh ni dapat disturb hai. Aru bimar tu pisi tamu boleh deh. Itu kurik manu murki orang paling lagi wo. Itu paling kena begini boleh kena pacaran admission guru boleh, na? Inaga school uniform guru boleh itu bisina cutu mudu other necessities. तो क्या मानो? ये तो क्रिसमस न्यू ईयर डे एक बार सब मुराई देखो मुर्की दिवाली दिन एक बार मुराई इनागा ये तो ला toxic fume बरा animals जानवर को भी harmful है मानो काढ़ी दोनों मानो का होले भी तर let's पर kini kina pang una pang sekali nak potong mulu. Tar laga pasabi, tar neutral, tar or manabi itu bimar lagi aja tu. Kulit manuin nabi. Speaker, deputy speaker sir. Itu like I said for poultry and other livestock, not only to human beings. Sleeping pattern, elderly manokan umay takapi itu bi sleepless kulit. Enaka aro bimaru itu PC commercial issue laga kota. Speaker sir, itu nakamanodo unique asipado, unique no ina extraordinary unique aside nakamano. Naam dun Christian stick where ase, aron naam bi nakalin food crash kona bi tag kore na bi. Boleh bi American nakamano banto. We don't understand the true value of Christianity. Selfish, hypocrites, murum nadaka, hatred try American society today. Manobadi pavana nobody. Amiti kuli, muiti kuli, hoishi. Inaka kuwa society. Manobadi pavana nobody. itu एक किस्म जो नागामानो तो इस्राएल मानो मिसना से इस्राएल मानो बिया देना इस्राएल मानो भी नागामानो मिसना पिछी बिया हुआ 430 years slavery दी रखी सी इशू पर ना 430 years नागामानो भी American Home Minister Amit Chabra 400 years, you know, American 430 years, Mujalandi sovereignty, Babonagi changed locally. Idu Vishi Noah, however, Israel Manabi 40 days, the promised land, conjugally 40 days, 40 years, like I said. Nagamano idea solution lagi, evidence lagi buta burias, sovereignty lagi. Naga hoga. Israel mano bisina se murum bure Israel pra American state to anak choose pra state ta se India de. Ekdom unique guado unique ta se. Boleh bi American murum nadaka hatred hypocrisy pra mutta hogi nas Bible de love murum laga 700 times hogi nas de Bible aro hypocrisy bi 20 times Jesus pra content hogi nas aro abe Christian hogi na most hypocrites most hatred among us, most selfish, itu kira Tokyo laga, pabana nore. Nijuri tik beli besi, ina kana. Ita sabi nagamano logot humility nai pado. Kili nai. Itia COVID time di American nagamano itu health workers kando angel mission babis save your arm mission nujur baba mau mura jaga dibi jabon na baregena nujur bacha baregena bi samne jabon na baregena dana sacrifice person hoy aji do itu am regular speak robo jibom na upcoming young leaders kamro lugina itu apus korea Nagamano, Aji American society, Laga Buddha Brasil is deputy speaker. It is related, whatever I am speaking, it is related to our Naka mentality and related to this question. Sabe, itu Tamil Nadu de 668 plus 2,100 regularized British. COVID health workers. UBD 2,300 COVID. Itu sub Hindu majority state. তো এইটো আছে নাগা মানুহৰ লগত ফেমিলি টিভি নাই মুৰব্বী নাই এইটো চুপ নাই এইটো চাবে আমি এখন খ্ৰীষ্টান ষ্টেট আছে আমি কালচাৰ বি নহয় ফায়াৰ ক্ৰেকাৰ্ছ আমি কালচাৰ বি নহয় তো হিন্দু মেজৰিটি ষ্টেট লাইক এইটো হাৰিয়ানা পাঞ্জাব তামিলনাডু itu an sukti ban ase firecrackers to aro especially in Delhi has a total ban on the manufacturing storage sale and use of firecrackers sabe to amigan naga mano amela culture bin hoi ki gorni tusana culture man borom itu bora ami laga supplementary question ekta to itu ase. Well, the department banned the use of firecrackers in our state, like in other states like Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, and Tamil Nadu.
Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, reply to our honorable members supplementary. As per the Supreme Court order, there is no such ban in the entire state in the country. Today, Supreme Court lagato, they have fixed 1 hour for Diwali and other festival, and for Christmas, New Year, 1 hour. Now, as per the Supreme Court order, the police and administration, we have served 3 times. That was in 2023, 2024, 2025. The order that is issued by CP Dimapur. The copy of these orders are here for your information. I am going to submit these orders. Deputy Speaker, sir, from 2023, 2024, 2025, we have been issuing advisories and direction in this regard for various festive and occasions, including Christmas and New Year. Deputy Speaker, sir, here I want to request and appeal to our civil societies. Only police and administration and state direction order cannot serve this purpose. We have to have full cooperation with the public and civil societies. I mean, I'm so for Nagaland, for Paginakinana police administration control. We have to have a support from civil societies and civil organizations in the public, so that we are trying our best. The police and administration are taking measures to implement the order, and if required, they will further intensify this effort. So I appeal to all the citizens of Nagaland to have to give full cooperation to the state government and police and administration. Thank you.